Good morning, everyone. A new tool for creating LinkedIn carousels is out there. I really like it. It's very simple, straightforward, and this is specifically designed to help you make amazing LinkedIn content, especially carousels. And if you see some of my LinkedIn posts, I'm using this. Gamma is good as well. Gamma does a lot of other things, but this is very much focused only on creating LinkedIn carousels. So I'm just sharing a option here for all of you how to play around with this, right? So what you need to do is you can choose some templates. So there are, if you see, these are the premium. So this is a free sign in, and I will tell you what all you can do with a free sign in. You can select any template that is there. So I will just select one basic template, something like because I have my blue logo, so I like this blue color. Then what we need to do is this looks okay for now. Then what I need to do is I can go to branding. I can change my branding. One branding is something that we can pick up. I can take my logo, and I can have my logo here, and then I can so this is your branding, and this is a good thing about Gamma that I about Post Nitro, which is not there in Gamma, that you can do your branding. Muhammad Arshad Ahmed, decoding data science, and it is set company details, update. So if you do company details, it comes on the top, but I like it down, so I'm going to remove this and I'm going to keep it down here. So Muhammad Arshad Ahmed. So I will just remove Ahmed. I just keep Arshad, so it looks aligned, right? Muhammad Arshad, decoding data science, and now I want to create a document. So let me create something about how transformer works. Very basic for beginners. So for that, I'll go to AI. Here I'm going to give how does transformers work in uh, there are if you know, there are transformer work in LLM. How does transformer work? Uh, how does a transformer work and used to create proper. How does a transformer work in GPT? This is for beginners. Keep a very brief overview and easy to digest. For more easy to digest, keep very a beginner work in GPT. This is for beginner. Keep very beginner. Very work in GPT. This is for beginners. Keep very basic overview and easy to digest. So this is something that is there. Tone, I will keep it formal. This is the easiest. Target audience is tech enthusiasts. Maximum you can do 5. More than that you cannot do, and there is only one option available. So in the free version right now, you can generate you can download up to 5. So be careful of how much you can download in a month. So I just finished out one account, so I created a new account to just make this demo video. And what you can do, you can see these are some of the things that are there, right? And learn more about AI. What you can do is you can like you are here, right? You can add few pages here, and like add a page, page, and then what you can do is you can later on add few things here. while you are editing like the diagram or something, because this is very basic. If you can see, this is very basic. It gives you different context, what is a transformer, layer, encoding, and if you want to put some diagrams, attention mechanism and key takeaway, transform, revolution, and these are the foundation. Learn more about it, and then you can put about your community. So once you feel this is fine, you cannot remove this watermark now. You have to remove it manually or leave it for now. For removing watermark, you need to have the premium membership, which is approximately $10 a month, which is it depends upon what you want. So this is something that you want. For download, you can just click download PDF, but I don't want to download now. I just want to play around with this, right? One more way of how to generally do it is, if I just enter a topic, right? Transformers for beginners. How does a transformer work? Just how does a transformer work in GPT? Just let me see how it comes. So you can keep generating until you find something that is nice, but don't download it until you feel it is final, because there is a limit of number of download. So I have done this. How does it work? Application of transformers. Previous one was better. At least I got attention mechanism. I got something else. So the previous one was better, and okay. So actually this is taking the electricity one. Okay, so this is becoming hallucinating. The previous one that was there, I don't know the context. Uh, yeah, this one, version zero. Version zero is better. At least they have something that is rated or transformer. And then I can just make sure I can make this big, big, big. I just have an extra, and then I can download. Carousel save. Then you can just click download PDF, and it is downloading the carousel as a PDF, and then it will take a couple of seconds to have it, and then you can rebrand it. And yes, so this looks like this. So it looks, it's a okay one. You can play around with this, and you can use it for your this thing. So you can edit this in so generally what I do, and I want to share with all of you, is I take this particular thing, I go to Canva, and then I take an output from one tool and put it in another tool. So I have a Canva Premium. I'm using it for almost three years right now. This is one tool that I have spent a lot of money on, because I know. So this little bit formatting goes a little bit bad, but at least you can delete this. You can delete this. Yeah, the formatting has gone a little bad, but at least you get a structure that is there, and you can get some content and play around with it. So yes, play around with it. At least you get the basic structure. Delete all these things, and have your slide ready. So once, because this is a very small and a good way, put some diagrams and then push it to the social media with some hook and content. Thank you very much. And now it looks, there is some work to be done. It is not uh, if you want to pay the paid version, that is good enough. You can remove the carousel, but if you don't want to have the paid version, you can do these type of stuffs to make sure that everything is fine. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Try out Post Nitro if you want to do something, or Gamma is another option which I talked in the previous video.